Hello, welcome back to our channel where we talk about self-improvement and personal growth. Today we're talking about emotion control. Anger can be a powerful and destructive force, but it can also be controlled and managed. That's why in this video, we'll be discussing the basics of mastering your emotions and controlling your anger. Let's start by understanding what anger is and where it comes from. Anger is a natural response to perceived threat or injustice. It's a survival mechanism that helped our ancestors to protect themselves and their families. But in today's world, anger can often become a problem, especially when it's not controlled. Controlling your anger can bring many benefits to your life. For starters, it can improve your relationships with others. When you can manage your emotions, you're more likely to communicate effectively and avoid conflicts. Additionally, it can also help you to stay calm in stressful situations and make better decisions. Now that we've covered why it's important to control your anger, let's talk about some techniques you can use to do so. Breathing exercises, taking deep breaths can help you to calm down and regain control over your emotions. Positive self-talk, remind yourself of the reasons why you're angry and challenge those thoughts with more positive ones. Physical activity, exercise can be a great way to release pent-up anger and reduce stress. Mindfulness, being present in the moment and focusing on your thoughts and emotions can help you to understand and manage your anger. Remember, controlling your anger is a process that takes time, patience, and persistence. The key is to practice these techniques regularly until they become a habit. It's also important to recognize that anger is a normal emotion and that it's okay to feel angry sometimes. The goal is to manage your anger in a healthy way, not to eliminate it completely. That's it for today's video on mastering your emotions and controlling your anger. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you have any tips or tricks for controlling anger, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.